All right. So we're going to the box. Let's see what we got. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. For all those that have been subbed for a while, I appreciate you guys. All the new subs that I recently had, seriously, thank you. This is just a quick update video. I'm just letting you guys know what's going on. As you guys know, in my previous videos, I've had an engine light come on. I'll show you real quick. Quick for you guys. Let it warm up a little bit. Let it get all set up. Actually, I don't even have to turn it on. So hopefully it focuses right there. You see the engine light on. Let's go to the, what is it, stethoscope? Is that what it's called? A little stethoscope on the side. See the diagnostic codes. There we go. P0300. Hit the wrong button. P0300. P0301. Cylinder 1 misfire. And then that's the O2 sensors because of the headers. That'll go away eventually whenever I get my tune done. So these are all my visits to the Jeep dealership. Here's 4. I have 2 more upstairs. And honestly, I've still been having trouble with this engine. They replaced the camshaft, gaskets, fuel injectors, lifters. They've done as much as they can. And honestly, nothing's been working. I even tried a new Jeep dealership. They looked at the car. They said it was fine. I believe they just reset the codes. And then by the time I turn on the car the next day, it's been giving me problems all over again. And honestly, I can hear it in the engine. There's like a ticking sound. And when you're turning on the car and you're just in idle, you can feel how rough the car feels. I don't know if you guys can hear the idle. Honestly, it sounds rough. Can you guys hear that idle? I mean, I don't know if that's my phone shaking. No, it's just, that idle's crazy. I don't know if you guys can hear that ticking sound, but I don't know if you guys can really pick that up too well, but just doesn't feel normal. So honestly, I really do think I just have lifter failure, and I feel like my engine's just kind of screwed, I guess. And honestly, I've just been discouraged because honestly, I've been taking it there 6 times already. I have no resolution. Honestly, it's still all messed up. So brings me to my next point. So I am going to be rebuilding the engine. I planned on doing it. I plan on supercharging in the future. Unfortunately, because of everything that's been going on, it's happening sooner rather than later. And so I already started purchasing stuff. I told you I just don't want to deal with Jeep anymore. Even though I have my warranty, at this point, I really just don't give a shit. So I've been talking to my performance shop. I already started ordering the parts, like I said. So everything's going to start coming together in a couple of weeks. Maybe a little longer than a couple of weeks, maybe 2-3 weeks. Hopefully it'll start getting in the shop and we'll be getting everything done. So I'm going to be, straight up with you guys the whole route. I'm going to let you know what parts I ordered, how much it cost, how much, the installations and everything's going to be. So that way, if you're like looking to do the same thing, or if you're like, you want to save up for it in the future or whatever, or you've just been contemplating about it, honestly, I'll be that, I'll be that guy. I'll be that guy, to be honest. I'll be the one who's taking the plunge, and then, you could just learn from my mistakes, I guess. So anyway, so I'm ordering some parts from Modern Muscle Extreme. They're based in, I believe, Virginia. Honestly, they do a lot of Mopar stuff. They're big on Hemis. They know what they're doing. They honestly build these things out to like 1,000 horsepower systems. They said, honestly, they'll, their parts can handle it. So anyway, so I placed my order with Modern Muscle Extreme. I'll let you know what I order right now. So here we go. So to start it off, you need to forge the internals. If you ever plan on boosting this car, throwing a Procharger, Supercharger, you need to forge the internals. If you don't, you're going to blow this engine. You will blow this engine. I've seen it. I've read stories about it. So honestly, that's going to be the first step, is we have to forge everything inside and make this engine as strong as possible. That's the whole game plan. Drop-in pistons and rods power package with the coated rod bearings and premium main bearings, and it comes with the Hemi 5-layer head gaskets. And I'm also getting their custom grind performance camshaft. So I told them what my game plan was. If you go on their website, they have so many different camshafts. If you go on YouTube, you can actually hear some. They honestly sound so good. I can't wait to hear the chop in my, in my SRT. It's gonna be sick. But they told me for what I'm gonna do and for the SRT and the Jeep, they said that I should do a custom grind performance camshaft. So basically, what they do is they cut it and I guess they manufacture it to my specifications and what my engine's gonna be doing in the future. So I told them that I plan on supercharging it, most likely probably just throw a Whipple on this thing. I mean, I'm not positive yet. Maybe Pro Charger down the road. I don't know yet. But anyway, I told them what was going to happen. So I'm getting their performance camshaft, which I actually did get. I got the performance camshaft. I'll throw it in the video real quick. But there you go. There's the custom grind camshaft. Let's see what it says over here. Has my name. And I guess it has the specs, everything like that. I'm not gonna take it out of the box because I don't want anything to happen to it. But yeah, so this is the camshaft I got from MMX. Can't wait to get this installed. So you see the performance camshaft there. It's also coming with the 1511 Beehive valve spring kit. It's coming with the new cam bolt, which is just the OEM bolt. Premium push rods, camshaft swap gasket kit, and it's also coming with the MDS Delete kit and a full set of Hellcat lifters and plugs. So like I was talking about, that MDS Delete kit is honestly going to take care of that 4-cylinder when it keeps dropping down to 4 cylinders. So it's going to be always on 8. It's going to be running better. It's going to be running stronger, hopefully. And yeah, so that's everything I got from Model Muscle Extreme. And then my shop wanted to do some other stuff. Since we were already going in there, we might as well upgrade as much as we can. I'm not upgrading the heads yet, but I'm upgrading some, some other internal parts. So these are honestly all Mopar replacement stuff. Timing cover gaskets, crankshaft seals, oil pan gaskets, oil pickup tube seals, engine oil indicator O-rings, exhaust manifold gaskets, intake manifold gaskets and seals, PCV valve components, crankshaft rear oil seal retainers, valve cover gaskets, and then these are more upgraded parts. We're getting the MDS plugs from Stank Motorsports. We're also getting the rocker shaft stabilizers by Stank Motorsports. What else we got here? The Hemi head stud kit, the Hemi main stud kit. We also got the Hemi triple groove race flow intake valves. And we also got the Hemi triple groove Race Master exhaust valves and Brisk USA silver racing spark plugs. So that's going to be my whole build this first time around. That should be taking care of pretty much almost everything except for the heads. Throttle body, I'm not sure what we're doing with that yet. I think we might just keep it stock. I also got to upgrade the fuel injectors. We're not sure what we're going to do yet. We might just do the Hellcat for right now. But honestly, it's going to come down. I mean, I'll talk about everything once it starts going. And then I also got to tune the car, so I got to be paying for that. So the tuning's going to be through HP Tuners. It's going to be done by Dusterhoff Tuning. So if you want to see their stuff, honestly, I follow them on Instagram. They do a lot of Mopar shit. Honestly, they do a lot of good stuff. The shop I deal with, TNA Motorsports in Queens, uses Dusterhoff Tuning for everything. And honestly, together they've put together 9-second Trackhawks, and they know their performance shit. So honestly, I'm not worried at all. I'm just super excited to finally start doing this. It's pricey, I'm not gonna lie, but honestly, it's something I wanted to do. And now, unfortunately, I don't know if it's unfortunate or it's fortunate, but I have a reason to do it now. And you know what? It was my plan all along, so it just came sooner rather than later. All right, guys, so that's what I'm gonna be doing with my build. As far as the channel's going, I try to post once a week. I try to post on Mondays. That's gonna be my thing. I'm gonna try to do as much as I can. Like I said, my Jeep is not 100%, But this build is coming, so it's exciting. I'm gonna have a lot more stuff for the channel. I'll have a cammed SRT, so it'll be going on against, you know, stock SRTs, and we'll be trying to do some racing content. Most likely I'll probably get it dynoed also, that way I can kind of see what kind of horsepower I'm putting out at that point before we get anything crazy. We've been talking about switching over to race gas. I don't know if I really want to do that yet. This is my daily driver, so I take it to work. I mean, luckily with COVID I haven't been driving as much, but I don't know if I really want to do, you know, E85 yet. I don't know. Most likely down the line it will come. I just don't know if I want to do that next, or you know, it's just something we got to talk about, you know, in the future. But as of right now, that's the plans of the build: forging the internals, camming it, and just building a stronger engine. That way hopefully I won't have any more issues in the future. And yeah, I'm excited, man. So stay tuned. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.